we have yet another beautiful classic pickup in. Has just become available to purchase. 1969 Chevrolet C10 short box Stepside, absolutely stunning truck. Paint on this kind of an indigo blue, navy blue on the bottom with kind of a silver blue two-tone red highlighted stripe on it. Paint has been laid down in this truck extremely nice. Not only does this truck look good, it is a nice runner and driver. It is powered by a 350 underneath the hood. That 350 is very nicely equipped as well. Power steering, power brakes, AC serpentine belt system, and it has a ton of chrome on it. This is a very, very nice show truck. Go to your local shows, cruise-in, roll-ins, what have you, you'd have the hood up on this baby. We get around to the other side, I'll pop the hood so you can check out that engine bay. You can see us riding on rocket racing wheels. Great 5-spoke look on this truck. All the way up and down it. This truck is straight, not full of chips, nicks, dings, scratches. You can see the bright work on the front. Very, very nice shape. If you want to check out the still pictures, feel free to give us a call. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And if you want to talk to us, give us a call on this truck. 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have. Paired with that 350 Chevy underneath the hood, there is a 4-speed manual transmission. You can see the interior is finished off just as nice as the exterior. Still keeping that stock look with an aftermarket radio added underneath so you don't mess up the dash. AC controls still running off the old unit. As you can see, a cloth bench seat in it. FYI, this down here is just the reflection coming through the window. It's not a lighter patch or stained seat or anything like that. It's just the way the reflection's coming through the shaded glass windshield. Come around back here to the Stepside box. You can also see very, very nice shape. Can't say enough about this truck, how nice that paint is on it. Wood in the box, of course, finished off beautifully, as well as the bright work back here. Again, feel free to check out the still pictures. Of course, the underside of this truck looks as nice as the top. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Once again, phone number to give us a call at 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation of this beauty to where you're located at. Driver's side just as straight and just as nice as the passenger side. Just take a look up and down this one. If you're interested, definitely give us a call. I don't think this truck's going to last too long. Trucks have been hot. So like I said, if you got one you want to trade in, we'll sure consider that. If you're watching these, maybe you have one in your garage that you've been thinking about getting rid of and consigning, feel free to give us a call. You can see the interior also just as nice as the outside. Carries on kind of the two-tone blue and kind of the silver blue theme. We'll go ahead and start this up. So you can hear that 350 run. A little aftermarket tack has been added to the steering column there. See how easily it starts. Nice little low PIO, but nothing too crazy. I don't know if you can see, getting a little reflection there. Sorry about that. Try to give you an idea what the interior looks like here. Again, you can see it all in the still pictures at Unique Classic Cars. You want to check out the still pictures, see what it looks like. Nicely that door closes. We'll come around back here so you can hear the rumble out of that 350. Listen to that great sounding truck. Wait till I pop this hood and you check this out. One of the nicer engine bays I've videoed in a while. So I'm going to pause this a second, get it open, and take a look. Alright, look at the underneath the hood. How nicely finished that is. You can actually see the reflection of the engine in it. And here's probably why. We do have some chrome up in here. Like I said, 350 power steering, power brakes. You can see the headers, Edelbrock carb, 4-barrel on there. AC has been converted. You can see serpentine belt system, lots of chrome. Very, very nice looking engine compartment. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to get a hold of us at 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing's available. We can help you with the shipping of this truck to where you're located at. 1969 Chevrolet C10, regular cab, Stepside short box, just a beautiful restoration. Give us a call.